Now the next concept in exemplifying a document will understand like how to position a picture in the text area, how to wrap a text around a picture, and how to resize your picture respectively. Now over here you will see, like you have seen in the earlier concept, like how we inserted a picture in order to give a more impact to your document. Now in this picture you can see that it has taken so many area or the space which is not required, like in the left hand side and right hand side, and it has taken like it is not properly allocated in the text area. So the next option is like the thing which we can do is position a picture appropriately in a document so that it doesn't take much space area and it doesn't look that clumsy also. Over here, if I will click on a picture again, there is a format tab option will open. Go to the format tab. Over here you will see an icon that is positioning, wrap text and cropping. We will understand these features one by one. First we're going to see the positioning of a picture. Over here you see that there is a various positioning of a picture is given. The first one is in line with text, means it's a middle of the text. For the very foremost is position in the top left corner, second in the top center, next is the top right corner with the square text wrapping. The fourth option you'll see is the in the middle left with the square text wrapping in the middle of a picture. Next is the right hand side. So this I believe that in the middle right hand side a picture looks much appropriate, so I'll just make a click over here and you'll see that the picture is formatted properly and has been located and has been positioned in the text area appropriately. Now we will give effect to this particular picture as well. We will do one thing, we will just again position it in a similar manner, and yes, in the middle of the corner that we have shifted the picture. So this is how you will position a picture into the particular text area so that your document your picture doesn't holds a much space, like we have seen in the earlier, like it has taken much space in the left hand side and the right hand side corner. So respectively we have positioned the pictures according to the text area in the document. Now the next option is how to wrap a text, means wrapping a text around a picture. Over here you will see that there is various options given over here. The very foremost is chosen as a square area. The tight area you will see that the text has got clumsy around a picture. The through option, top and bottom, like the left in the left hand side corner, if you'll see that the picture has no text area. Behind the text means if there is in a picture you wanted to insert behind the text and text has to be reflected this thing in front the foremost in the picture, so you can take the text as a behind the text. Then the in front of text means the picture will be replaced in front of the text, so this way, and you can hide the area or the text area by the picture respectively. We'll take it square as it is. As you can see, the picture is been formatted in a square area. Similar for this particular picture also we will take it. We will take tight and clumsy, like, or inline square only we will choose for this particular text itself also for this particular picture. So this is the way you will wrap your text area around a picture in order to position your text area as well as your picture appropriately in a document. The next option we will see is how to crop a picture. Now over here you will see there is a cropping option, which you can see, like if in case your picture is too enlarged or you want to exclude some part of the picture, you can crop the picture as well by clicking on crop. You will see that the corners has been there, like formed in front of a picture. You can drag these corners in order to exclude the part. If I want to exclude this much part, you will see this much part has been excluded and the rest part is in a shaded portion. And if I click on the text, you will see that the picture has been cropped. Now again, if I want to resize my picture to the original position, I can crop it and you will see the shaded portion. Once again, you can drag back the text, the picture, and then you will see that the picture is formed to the original place. Now this is the way you will do the cropping. In some of the parts you need to do the cropping because some of the things you need to exclude in the picture and you don't want to open it in a picture, so you can exclude it in this particular manner respectively. Now how to resize or how to position your position or rotate your picture accordingly. Now some of the pictures when you insert, they are not in a proper angle, so you can do option like over here you can see an icon of a round corner right in a in the right hand side. You can just drag the positioning of a angle by this way, by rotating it up to the whichever corner. Now in case you are not appropriately, you can do it, so you can do one thing, you can press a shift and make a click and then drag. It will position as per the degree wise, and you can position your picture accordingly. So this is the way you can rotate your picture as well. In the corner sides you will see that there are pointers or there are handles over here. You can see through this you can resize your picture to make it smaller, and also making enlarge it by dragging these corners. So this is the way like you can enlarge it or you can rotate your picture by this way. In order to make it properly rotate, you can press shift and it will form a proper degrees like 70, 80, 90 degrees, and then you can position your picture accordingly. So these are the options which are available, like how to position your picture in a text area or in a document, how to wrap the text around a picture, how to rotate, how to resize it through the picture, and how to crop the picture respectively.